everyone, I'm Cole Stevens, and in this video I'm gonna be syncing this, and this. To help you know what these are, I don't know what I made this one into. I was hoping for this to be the Oceanic, I think, but it turned out to be, I added this piece and then it wasn't the Oceanic anymore, so that's that. And this is the ship that changed everything, the Monitor. I'm also syncing this one the exact way. I am putting rocks in them to help them sink, because last time I put cars in them, but this time I'm doing rocks. So, on with the video. So this, just a little part. So this did pretty good. I really liked how it sank. The ship didn't quite sink all the way as you saw in the video, but I don't really care about it, and just don't worry about it. This is what it looks like now. I told you, it blew apart. On with the next one. This one also did really good. I mean, it at least sank to the bottom this time. Oh, it's really good. This time, about the drifting, I think it's just the wind is the problem. It's a cloudy day, actually. So, this ship did better than the first one. Now we're moving on to the Monitor. The ironclad that saved the world. Now I got a ton of details on it, and I'm gonna sink it in the way that it actually sank, with a lot of waves. So I'm gonna be making waves in the bucket to sink the Monitor. And I think it's gonna be really cool because I spent the longest time working on it. Now, on with the video. good. The only problem is it got almost completely destroyed by something. You can't even see the front of it anymore. And you can't see the gun turret anymore. It's still in there. So, yeah. Oh, it lost a piece on the front. And the front is breaking. I'll get this out over here. Okay. So these are all 3 of my wicks. One, the first ship. It has barely anything left. But we could get a really good sink. Second, this one is also a really good sink. It's mostly intact, without a smokestack or anything. And the back. So I think I would save that for another day. And finally, which I can't really pick up without destroying it, the monitor. And my mom has been helping me. Can you say hi?
Hello.
That'll be the end of this video. Just so you know, first 2 were time lapses. And the last one, the monitor, was an actual video. Bye.